Hi there, I'm Teresa and today I'm answering 3 questions in less than 3 minutes. We will explore the health insurance plan for international students here at Conestoga College. Let's jump right in. Having health insurance gives you peace of mind, knowing that if you get sick or need medical attention, you are covered. As an international student, the health insurance plan is mandatory and already included in your tuition fee. When you need medical care, you just need to present your student health card when you visit a doctor or go to the hospital, or make the payment and claim for it. Most healthcare providers will bill the insurance directly, but if you need to pay upfront, don't worry. You can submit your receipts and get reimbursed through the insurance provider. If you are unsure about what is covered or need help finding a doctor, you can always check the Conestoga Student Care page. Good question. There are 2 plans for full-time Conestoga students. The SCIPI, which acts as coverage for illness, health emergencies, medical doctor visits, and hospitals, and the CSI Extended Health and Dental Plan. This covers vision, dental, prescriptions, psychologists, social workers, massage therapy, and more. If you have questions about your health insurance plan, you can email cshealthplan@conestogac.on.ca. And you can also visit their website for helpful videos or detailed information about your health insurance coverage. I'll also add some links here on the description for you. I can't wait to see you on campus!